How to use the portable fire pump, diesel pump. Step 1. Fill the engine oil and the vacuum pump oil. Turn the button and we will check the oil level. After that, we fill the engine oil. And we could check the oil level from this. Oil. This is the engine oil. Open it and fill the engine oil. Step 2. Fill the diesel and open the fuel tank switch. This is the diesel tank. Open it and fill the diesel. Okay, and then open the fuel tank switch. Step 3. Connect the battery and turn on the green valve switch. Connect the battery and then turn off the green valve switch. Step 4. Connect the suction hose filter and put in steering ring in the hose. First, we need to connect the suction filter. And then install the steering ring. Step 5. Preparation before starting. We need to collect the fire nozzle with fire hose. And then connect the suction hose. After that, put it into water and collect the fire hose. Step 6. Start engine. Adjust the throttle to its position. Okay, press the button and then turn on the switch. Start engine. Step 7. Suction water and spray water. Pull the suction handle and open the out valve. Okay. Spray water. Okay. After starting, we need to learn how to stop, throttle down, and after that, engine switch off. Remove the fire hose and remove the suction hose and open the drain valve. Close the drain valve. Okay, put on the cap. Thank you.